Plannerzoids! Hello, and welcome back to another video on Plannerzoid, where I like to talk, be cute, and be crafty and creative. Y'all, I did my lashes this morning. I hope they look okay. And now I have the Michael Jackson nose again. Can I say something? We listen and we don't judge. It's been 2 weeks into March. We are now in the middle of the month. And I haven't even made a planner spread. What kind of planner am I? I'm fired. I'm leaving. I'm going home. I'm closing the channel. I'm just kidding, y'all. Can I be honest? I just been like so busy that I haven't had a chance to even make a spread. So we're making a spread today. Today's going to be a deco with me. We're going to be decorating and doing a cute, sweet spread for March. I'm so excited. And before I get started, I have to say this, because closed mouths don't get fed. Period. I have a membership, so if you guys would love to join my membership, you get member shout outs, you get responded to really fast, and it'll help the channel. Who don't want to help this channel? Y'all saying all this good stuff about my channel. Well, I want to make it better. So if you want to join the membership and help grow Plannerzoid and help me expand and get better quality stuff, then please check out my membership. Make sure you click join and become I do have names for them. So the first tier is a Zoidie supporter. That's cute, right? Because you upgrade from being a Zoidie to a Zoidie supporter. That means like, okay, you really F with this channel. Like, thank you. And then if you want to go even higher than that, you could become a Zoil. What is a Zoil? A Zoil is a loyal Zoidie. So if you want to be a loyal Zoidie or a Zoidie supporter, please join my membership. Thank you. So honestly, I have no idea what I want to do with this spread. I do have some cute stickers that I just printed from the shop. I have plans for you. And if you want a 10% discount, you can always use my code Keke10 to get a discount, not only in her shop, but also in her Patreon. And can we just take a look at this greatness here? She draws all her stuff herself and writes all her stuff herself. Like, I want to be you when I grow up, okay? So it's just like, I'm so excited because this month she did sweets and she always votes on her Patreon. So I like that she vote because she get to choose what we want and everything. I kind of started doing the little voting thing, but honestly, enough of y'all don't say shit. Enough of y'all don't be responding. I need to know. I'm asking the Zoidies a question. With that being said, let's get started on this spread, y'all. So in addition to the stickers with I have plans for you, I am also using some stickers that I created on my own. I know I cut that paper so wrong. I don't know what happened here, but the colors are pretty and it actually matches. And I'm not sure yet, but I'm thinking about using this Recollection sticker book Capri because look at the colors. Some of those colors kind of match. So I'm thinking about adding to it. I don't know yet. And then of course the paper I'm using, y'all know I do that scrapbook paper stuff now. Like ever since using colored paper, scrapbook paper, I haven't looked back to regular white paper. Like color really make your spread pop. And I have said it in every video and I'll say it again. If you want your spreads to pop, just add scrapbook paper. Easy. Like if you want something other than stickers, just add scrapbook paper. Look at the color. Look how fun that is. We are about to elevate this spread. So let's go ahead and get going. I don't know where I want to start, but I do know that I want to add box stickers. So I might start with the box stickers. So let's do that. Also, oh my gosh, I'm really bad at this. I'm so bad at mentioning stuff. I be trying to get straight to the point because y'all know I can talk, but I have to share. By the way, this cover is from Notique. Anybody that wants to know, I do have a planner cover collection video out. So if you want to know what this cover is from, it's from Notique. But I just had to show my rainbow sky. This is rainbow sky in the case. It looks beautiful. It is now available in my shop, the whole little bundle. And you do get the micro, you get a shaker, and you also get these two bows, the rainbow bows. If you want the big jumbo puff pom-pom clip, you can order separately. And I haven't added this in the shop because I just felt like it was too late to do it. I was just like, you know what, it's too late. But I did make it for myself. So how fun is this? Like, thinking about doing a cover setup video. So I don't know, let me know down below. But I do have new micros in the shop. I already got an order for the Soul Sister micro. Actually, let me get that one too, the Soul Sister. This is the Soul Sister micro. A lot of people seem to really like it. I think it is so cute. Oh my goodness. It's so adorable. And it does also come with a shaker. How cute. And they do come with their own sticker sheets. So this is the Soul Sister version. And then this is the Rainbow Sky version. So how fun, how cute is that? I think perfect to get into spring. Now, Soul Sister, I was supposed to put her out for Black History Month. I'm behind y'all, but I still wanted to put her out. And I am in the process of making a micro for like Women's Month. I would love to do that. So hopefully I could reach that goal. I don't know. I got a lot going on, okay? Okay, let's get into the spread. So I know for a fact I want this sticker because honestly, I'm still debating on what I want to use my micro for. And I'm just not sure if I want it to be purely decorative or if I want to keep using it for to-dos, because with having the YouTube channel, the brand business, honestly, and trying to grow it and stuff, my micro isn't holding everything I want it to hold. So I'm trying here. It still can be functional, but you're just going to have to add a lot more stuff to it. You know what I'm saying? I think I want to add a quote. The only thing is, wait, these might fit. I do try to make them the size of my micro because most of these stickers go in my micro. Let's see. I'm thinking Too Sweet to Handle is really cute. Let's do that one. By the way, I do have a video out. Like, if you want to print your own printable stickers at home, like, oh, you found some online or digital downloads, but you don't know how to print and cut them, I do have a video on how to do that. I'm still trying to muster up the courage to make a video on how to make your own stickers at home. So y'all gonna have to give me some time. I'm trying. Oh, that's cute. Too Sweet to Handle. Let's do another quote because I love quotes. Quotes in my planner are so fun. I know there's some people who don't like quotes. We listen and we don't judge, but I love a good quote. This is cute. Happiness is homemade. Please fit. Please, please, please fit. It'll do. It'll do. I want to add a couple of her box stickers too, because I like this color. What a fun color. Yeah, I'm going to add these colors. Oh my goodness. This is perfect for spring because look at the pastels. And what kind of sweets should I add? These cookies are adorable. I'm going to do these little cookies. I hope these are cookies. They look like cookies. I'm going to put them here. And then I can't stop looking at this ice cream cone. It just looks so delicious. Think about putting her here. And honestly, I don't know where my number stickers went. So I was gonna add some numbers to it, but I guess I'll do it off camera. I do wanna add, let's look in this sticker book and see what kind of stickers are here. Cause I might not need to do that. Oh, it is my sister's birthday. So let me go ahead and add a sticker there. Cute. Let's see. Oh my gosh, I love these lemons. I cannot wait till summer because I will be putting out some lemony stuff. Fun fact, lemons are my favorite fruit. Yes, I eat lemons by themselves. I don't care if I'm weird. And I add salt to them. Just nice and acidic. I'm looking at this washi sticker right here. I think this is cute, but I don't know if I want to add it. I like this little spot right here. Wait, this is kind of cute. Actually, we're getting somewhere. Yeah, we're getting somewhere. Hold on, I gotta hurry up and move the sticker before it's too late. There we go. Ah, cute. Adding some flair to the pages. I like it. Should I spell out the word cake? That would be fun. Maybe. Something about this orange color is really fun. It reminds me of like orange sherbet. How cute. I'm thinking about putting one here too. Oh, it might be too late to lift it up. Oh, we can kind of layer it like this maybe. I love box stickers, so I'm definitely putting box stickers, okay? Let's do the days of the week. Now, mind you, I want you to know when you're printing stickers from home, everyone's printer is different. So mine may look like this, but when she prints hers out, it could be more vibrant. So I highly encourage you guys to check out her Patreon, check out her shop. Super cute stuff. I'm gonna add this day right here. Cute. And then we're gonna add some of these cute little candy pieces because they're small enough to kind of just put around. That is adorable. I am loving this. And I hope one day I can draw my own stuff too, because honestly, with everyone stealing artwork and stuff and everyone's like copying and stuff, I'm trying to be unique. I want to be my own person, and I already think I'm unique. Like, I think I'm very unique, and I think I show my personality well on here, but still, you know how people are. What should I do with this one? This one's cute. I think I'm gonna put it right here. I like how it's coming out. This is cute. I really wanted to use a lollipop. I have to. I don't know where. Let me be careful. I don't want to tear it. How cute is this? Where should I put this at? That's gonna cover the day of the week. It's gonna have to go over here. Maybe here. That's fine. And maybe right there. I like these little dots too. I'm gonna need tweezers. Ooh, where are my, oh, good. I thought I lost my tweezers. Perfect. I'm gonna use some of these little dots. They're so small. Oh, I'm missing one. Where did it go? Oh, well. Yeah, I'm gonna use these little dots, kind of like confetti, I guess. Kind of want to make it like confetti. So I'm gonna just put all these random dots around, but I'm pretty sure these dots are probably for like when you write out your to-dos and stuff, because some people do bullet points for to-dos, but I'm gonna use them differently. It's gonna be fun confetti. If I can get them off, I might have made them too small. I love these colors, just pastel, just fun. Pastel actually is my favorite color palette, another fun fact. But I usually wear neutral clothes. It's just easy. I ain't got time to figure out clothes because honestly, I do too much. That's why I'm bald now, because when I have hair, I do too much. There we go. Also, I think I'm just really sexy being bald. I love being bald. I really do. I want to add a couple more things, but I think I'm going to add something different. So I think I'm done with the sticker sheet. Wait. Actually, I kind of do want to add a to-do sticker. She has a to-do sticker here. Yeah, I do. Oh, you know that'll be cute? We'll put it here. Sideways. That's cute. Okay, I think I'm done with that. And I might add a couple more of my stickers. I don't know which one. Which one matches? I think this one matches better. Kind of just, oof. I'm going to put it somewhere. We're not, that's kind of cute. Yeah, that's cute. And then lastly, I want to look in this book and add just some more embellishments. Wait, these are cute. I actually like these kind of stickers. I don't know what to call them. I just call them flag stickers. Let me see, where do I want to put these? Kind of one here, yeah. Turn it this way. Oh God, no. It's on that crooked. I don't like that. Hold on. Usually I don't trip, but honestly, I don't know. I layer so many things, so you gotta be careful when you're layering stuff. Yeah, that's a little better. I can take that. Oh, that is adorable. Let's add a couple more. Wow, that's so fun. And let me see if I have any small stickers. Is my book falling apart? My book is falling apart, my sticker book. This is just ghetto. This is just, you know what? Let's see what embellishments. Okay, stars, cute. I might can do some stars. I kind of like these stars. These are cute. They're like colorful stripes if I could get them off. They're so tiny. Wait, I think I like these. Hold on. Oh, these are fun. Yeah, that adds more elements of color. So we're gonna do that. Fun, fun. Then we can do that. Yeah, I'm gonna add a few of these, and I think I might be done with this spread because honestly, I filled it up with sweets, and that's what I want. Like, I love sweets. I crave sweets, but I'm trying to stay away from the sweets. That's how I'm gonna lose my weight, honey, because those sweets, whew, those sweets are my crutch. I want to add a couple more stars. I just like stars. I like colors. I like stars. Oh, that's so fun. I like it. I'm going to leave it at that. Not my broke sticker book. What happened? When did it? All right, bye. Anyways, I think this is a spread. I think I like it. What y'all think? I think it looks amazing. Let's put it in the micro because that's how we make it official. Gotta add it into the micro. I love this shaker. It came out really good. These I made like last year or 2 years ago. They're just vellum spring flowers. I thought about adding them to the shop, but I'm honestly just not even sure. But how cute are these? They came out so cute. Look, y'all, my first spread of March. Oh my gosh, this is so ghetto. I did not start any spreads for the month. I am ashamed. Okay, cute, cute. We're getting it in there. Cute, cute, cute. Uh-huh. I don't feel like hole punching, so we're just gonna push that down. Oh, that's adorable. And actually my discs go with it too. How cute is that? Lovely. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was so fun to film. I had a good time and I love the sweets. Like, oh my God, so adorable. I hope I can draw my own shit one day, like seriously. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, the deco with me, because people don't like it when you call it a plan with me if you're not writing stuff down, but whatever. So I'll see y'all next time. And if you haven't seen it yet, I did put out a video, another planner tee, so please check that out. And there I go talking again. There I go. I'm doing it again. There I go again. There I go. I'm doing it again.